Greetings, family and friends. For the pleasure it is to be with you once again. In my previous video, I spoke to you about contracts being the most powerful word in the USA. Everything is a contract. Your home, your cars, your credit cards, your marriage. Today, I want to speak to you briefly how to avoid or overcome a contract if you find yourself in an impossible situation or you sign the contract without reading it, without intent, uh, undo the rest, they call it, undue influence. So right quickly, let me give you a quick list of some of the ways to avoid a contract. Impossibility of performance, fraud, mistakes, or misrepresentation and inducement to sign the contract, breach of contract, prior agreements to end the contract, unconscionable agreements, completion of the contract, mutual mistakes. I will go into deeper details and other legal ways to bar the contract and to go into deeper details and proof of facts to avoid or rescind the contract. Contact me and I'll be happy to work with you on this. In the meantime, remember, everything is law. Law is everything. Call me 365, 24/7. I love what I'm doing, and I'd be happy to help you. Thank you, and peace out. Be good to yourself.